everyone, Ms. Cahill here. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment to Canvas. So first what I want to do is show you what an assignment will look like in Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and go look at this kind of fake Canvas course I have here where it says test assignment. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to see, you know, not a real description, right? This doesn't really look that much like an assignment, but you can see kind of the function. You can see there's a rubric down here, that sort of thing. There's a button up at the top that says submit assignment. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, I have a lot of different options for how to submit an assignment. So what I'm going to do is just show you what the different options look like. So actually, here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF from Google Docs, because that's something that you're going to be doing in my English class a lot. So let's pretend that I'm in Google Docs. So let me go to Google Docs here. And I'm going to just download any old document. Oh, I'm going to skip signing in for now and just make a random one because I don't, okay, let's see if, okay, never mind, I'm good. I just had to reset my iPad, so it's all wonky. Okay, so let's pretend that my English 2 syllabus is an assignment that I want to submit. So I'm going to put it in print layout just to make sure it looks the way I want it to, and it totally does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the 3 dots. I'm going to go to share and export. I'm going to go to send a copy. I'm going to select PDF, and it's going to take a minute to prepare my PDF. And once my PDF is prepared, I'll have lots of options here. Now in the past, back when we used the app, you would scroll through here and pick the app. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to go to save to files. And we're going to select on my iPad to keep it secure. And I'm going to add a folder here, and I'm just going to call it Google Doc PDFs, just so I know that that's what I'm doing. And when I'm done, I'm going to select that folder, and I'm going to save it there. Once I do that, I'm going to go back to my assignment in Canvas. I'm going to select Choose File. I'm going to select Browse. I'm going to go to Browse. Now this is bringing me to my iCloud. I don't want to be in my iCloud. I'm going to go to Locations and select on my iPad. Again, I'll go to Locations and select on my iPad. Then I'm going to go to Google Docs. Then I'm going to select the PDF. I can write any comments here that I want to write. This is a syllabus. And then that's how you would go about submitting that. And then you press submit and it goes through. If it says resubmit assignment and you get this thing on the side that says submitted, that means it made it through. Now, I want to also show you how to do the other types of submissions and how to resubmit. So you see here the button, it says resubmit assignment. So I'm going to press that again. And I could upload another file if I want, or I have all these other options. So I could do a text entry. So this is where I would just type my ideas, just right in the spot. Let's say I'm sharing a video that I uploaded to YouTube or a Google Slides presentation. I would probably do website URL. If I want to record myself, I could record and do it that way. And alternatively, I could connect my Canvas to my Google Drive and do it directly. I don't have it connected right now, but it would, I assume, connect to your Google Drive so that you can import stuff right away. Right now, it's just not available because I'm in student view. So that's pretty much how you would go about accessing and submitting assignments on the web version of Canvas.